How do I access environment variables in Python? How do I get the value of an environment variable in Python?
Environment variables are accessed through os.environ. To see a list of all environment variables, if a key is not present, attempting to access it will raise a key error. To avoid this, to check if the key exists, returns true or false. You can also use get when printing the key, useful if you want to use a default, where /home/username/ is the default.
Actually, it can be done this way. Or simply. Or. For viewing the value in the parameter. Or. To set the value.
Here's how to check if $foo is set.
You can access the environment variables using. Try to see the content of the Python path or Python home environment variables. Maybe this will be helpful for your second question.